Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold just kept on trending up, and this is why I always emphasize so much the importance of the trend is your friend, especially on something like gold, where the monthly is in the strongest uptrend I've ever seen, weekly is in one of the strongest uptrends I've ever seen, daily is in a very strong uptrend, 4 hours in a very strong uptrend, 1 hour like I've been saying, if you get a push down and a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, fine, go short. But man, look at this. Higher low, 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 higher low. Why would you want to go short when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend and the 1 hour time frame is doing nothing but making higher highs, higher lows? Now, my main target for this for quite some time has been the $3,275 area because that's where the 161% Fibonacci extension is. So I'm definitely still very bullish. I mean, if it does make a double top at one of these last Fibonacci levels and breaks structure, then fine, start looking for shorts. If you don't see that picture right there, in my opinion, it's foolish to think that you should be looking for shorts in any significant way because this thing is probably more likely to end up doing something like that, pushing up to the $3,275, which is the monthly time frame Fibonacci extension for the projection for this big giant wave 3 on every single higher time frame to the upside. So as always, the trend is definitely your friend, especially on gold, where it's one of the strongest uptrends I have ever seen. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.